Hello, highly sensitive people. It's Alane, Friend here. I hope that you will follow me and subscribe and do all those things to help me spread my message. Here I am on the floor again. Why? Because it's December. And in December, I want to challenge me and you and all of us to do more to gather our resources. So as much as I hate it, and I'm not kidding you, I hate it, I'm going to do a little yoga. I might just start with a little bit of cat and cow. And I'm no yoga teacher or yogini, but I know there are a few things that make my back feel better. And I learned from a chiropractor to wiggle my tailbone. So wiggle your tailbone a little bit. The thing that I was doing a guided yoga thing, which is what I do, a couple things I remembered. Oh, look, there's a dog bone. A little treat for me. Like, just kidding, I don't eat meat. A couple things that I've learned is to first watch any yoga video or exercise video as television. Invest the time in doing that. And secondly, to watch it a second time and imagine yourself doing it. And then finally, don't try to do it until the third viewing. It takes a little extra time, but the payoff is phenomenal. So the other thing I was noticing this morning is there's like 800 instructions for one move. So I just wanted to show you the one move that I've mastered today that was new for me, actually. I've done this from like triangle pose when I'm doing a sun salutation. But in this move, you won't be able to see. But what you do, you're in table, and you lift your arm up to the sky and then look up at the hand. And you know what's kind of disappointing? When I did it with my left hand, I can't get that hand very high, because that's where I had a frozen shoulder once. So you know what it tells me? I've got a new place to do a little bit of stretching and a little bit of working. And you know where I'm mostly going to do it? While I'm hiking or walking the dog or walking the horses. So my commitment for December, I'm recording this in early December. I just had Wise Women in Wonder this morning, and I told the circle that I would add 5 minutes of outdoor movement every day in December. So let's do that. Let's get ready, because January's theme is HSP Olympics. We're going to be doing brain training to get our brains ready for the Olympics of life. But right now, I'm in the body training mode, because that's what I need to get through the darkest, longest nights of the year. More sun, more nature, and more movement. Are you in? Let me know in the messages below. I'd love to hear from you, because I need you in my community, and I need you to help me stay accountable. I'll probably be posting some kind of exercise a lot in December, so keep tuning in.